To change the outer moulding on the ARA-X4, you first need to open up the outer casing of the device and remove 6 small screws. Next, remove the transparent clip that holds the sensor PCB in place. There is one small screw at the bottom that you will need to remove. Gently remove the 2 PCB boards from the case. They should come out as one. Next, remove the O-ring. Then, remove the vibrator. And finally, remove the sensor gasket and discard the outer casing. Take your new casing and carefully go back through the previous steps to put all of the components back into the device.